Hello, everyone. In this video, we will talk about the company ZegoCloud, which provides you with a powerful SDK and APIs to build many communication features on your app: video calls, chat, video conferences, and live streaming. Stay connected face-to-face, communicate instantly, collaborate effectively, and share experiences globally. With top-notch technology, security, and reliability, ZegoCloud brings seamless communication to your fingertips.
Let us now take a look at a selection of features presented by this company. Among them, we have chat applications and video calls. In this particular video, we shall proceed to incorporate live streaming functionality into our application. To begin, we must initiate the registration process and establish a new project, subsequently opting for live streaming integration. Thus, within this console, the essential requisites consist of the app ID and server secret, serving as the means by which our application establishes a connection with the SDK script. You have the freedom to select the platform of your preference, be it iOS, Android, or web-based. These are the requisite identifiers, namely the ID and server secret, that need to be incorporated into the script code. In order to obtain the script code, we will proceed to consult the documentation, which can be found in the description below. In this video, I will employ React.js as the framework of choice for developing this application. I shall construct a homepage that encompasses a form allowing for the input of an ID. Subsequently, this form will facilitate navigation to a room ID, which will be shared with fellow participants in the live streaming session. I will apply CSS styling to enhance the visual appearance of this form. Presently, I shall proceed with the creation of a room page that will incorporate the SDK obtained from the documentation for live streaming. However, it is worth noting that the status of the SDK will initially be set to testing. You have the flexibility to modify this status to online when you wish to host the application, and such changes can be made within the console dashboard. The initial step entails installing the npm package and subsequently importing it into the room page. Following this, it is necessary to create a parameter within the page to receive the ID. In this particular stage, I will integrate the provided script into the documentation by creating a function called meeting. This function will incorporate the app ID and server secret, which were previously mentioned during the registration process. Lastly, I will integrate a function that enables the user to join the room in the testing status and subsequently share the room ID with other participants.